Oh, hi and welcome back. Um, this is where we stopped last time in the French coffee maker tutorial, and this time we're going to model the rest of this thing here, this coffee maker, and then we are finished with modeling. At first we have to look at all our layers, and you can see the mechanic is at the bottom, and I don't want it there, I want it somewhere in the middle. So I select my layers with my mechanic here, and I grab them all, and let's see, let's bring them up somewhere in the middle. That's okay. So now the next thing is we have to model here this cylinder here and the push button on the top. And I think we have to model the top of the glass too. So we do this in this tutorial because this is simple geometry, it's not that complicated. Go to the front view and let's unhide the glass, and in the object preferences of the glass we choose here wire, and we can see through it, and for the editor we deactivate the subsurfing. Oh, okay, now it's clear and we can look through the glass and we see what's going on in here. At first we add a cylinder, just a little cylinder. We don't need cap fills. Bring it up and scale it down. Scale it in the Z axis a little bit so we can see what we are doing. Okay. And we scale it without the Z axis until it fits in here. That's okay. And then we have to bring it up a little bit more. Something like that. That's okay. Okay. And now we are modeling this push button, or maybe at first we should do the top. We have to model the cover here, the closure head here. Okay, for this we need an UV here. We bring it up, and in the edit mode we are going to delete the lower part of it. So I click here to see through it, and then we choose this and we delete the, no, that's too much, this part here. Then we delete the vertices. Okay, that's the wrong way. Again, this as well. Okay, now we bring it down and we scale it down like this. Bring it a little bit up. Okay. And then we scale it in the z-axis. Maybe like this. And we put a little bit down. Okay. And then in the edit mode, we loop select the lower circle here, and we extrude this, scale it a little bit inwards until we reach the radius of the diameter of the glass, and then we extrude it again and we pull it down in the glass. So that's okay. And then we set it just smooth, and we add a solidify modifier to give it a little bit of thickness. And we need a subdivision surface modifier as well. And then in the edit mode we delete here this vertices here, and with the loop selection going here, and we extrude this, scale it down here, extrude it, and we go up a little bit and extrude it again here, and we extrude it again, and we scale it down until we reach the diameter of this cylinder here. But it don't have to touch the cylinder, only it has to nearly touch it, but it had not to touch it. Add a little bit of space. Okay, I think that's it for the closure tab. And now we are going to model this push button here. We add another UV sphere. We bring the UV sphere up, and again we delete the lower part, this, and we bring it down till we reach top of this, a little bit more down, and then we scale it down like this. That's okay, and in the z-axis as well a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then extrude it, and extrude it, and pull it down, and extrude it again, and scale it like this. That's okay. Now we have the push button. For this we have set smooth as well, this one smooth, and a solidify modifier and a subdivision surface. Okay, we tap in there again, and we add here a loop, bring it up so that this edge is not so rounded. Okay, and that's it. That's our model. One piece is not still in there. It's the microfilter, and the microfilter is just a circle with nothing filled. Okay, and bring it up, scale it down like this, and bring it a little more down here, and in the edit mode extrude it and scale, extrude again, scale, extrude and scale, extrude and scale it down, extrude again, scale, and press W and merge at center. Now we have a circle with a little bit of geometry on it, and it has to sit a little bit lower than the big filter is, and give it a thickness as well. Not so thick, thickness a little bit down like this, and push it up, and give it a subdivision surface modifier, and now we are really finished. In the next part of the tutorial we are going to add materials to our coffee maker. But for now we are finished, and let's give it a try how it looks. Maybe we should turn around the camera a little bit so that we see all of it, the handle and the whole coffee maker. Okay, and let's give it a try what it looks like. And it's too slow because I am on a CPU. I want to go to the GPU and re-render again. Because I have a lot of programs open here, it will be a little bit slow on the pre-calculation. I think I have to change my computer. It's getting slower and slower over the time. Yeah, a lot of memory, that's the problem. I have here several programs which are they need space on the graphic card memory, so I show you the render on the next part. Okay, that's it. I see you in the next part of the tutorial. Bye. Okay, another time I'm back because I want to show you the render. This is what it looks like right now, and I have seen a problem here. This handle here is too small. It has to be bigger because I'll show you that. It's because we have this here, right here, and you can't, if this sticker is long as it is right now, you can reach the button. So pull this a little bit up like this, and we move this up as well. Now it should all be fine. Okay, that's it for right now. Thank you for watching.